Welcome to our channel, where fitness myths meet their match. Today we're tackling a widely held belief. Can you really build muscle through the humble push-up? Stick with us until the end as we dive deep into the mechanics and benefits of push-ups, and how they can significantly transform your body. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest fitness insights. Ready to push your limits? Let's dive into the world of push-ups and muscle building. Here we go. The power of push-ups. Contrary to popular belief, building substantial muscle mass doesn't always require heavy weights or fancy gym equipment. Enter the push-up, a powerhouse of bodyweight exercises that targets your upper body like no other. Engaging not just your chest, but also your deltoids, triceps, and core. Push-ups offer a full-body workout, but that's not all. They also call upon your lower back, glutes, and legs to maintain proper form. Despite its simplicity, the push-up demands a lot from your musculoskeletal system, proving that strength isn't solely built with barbells. Creating an effective push-up regimen. For those new to fitness, daily push-ups might seem like a fast track to improvement. However, real progress comes from a balanced approach. Combining days of push-ups with rest and diverse training ensures holistic muscle development. An optimal push-up routine for beginners includes alternating days of push-ups with strength training for other body areas and essential recovery time. This approach helps your body adapt, minimizes injury risk, and prevents workout monotony. The nuances of daily push-ups. Can you do push-ups every day? It's a question with layers. Seasoned athletes might incorporate daily push-ups into their routines, balancing high-intensity workouts with lighter days focused on recovery and technique. For the average person, the trick lies in moderation and variety. Daily push-ups can be beneficial if you vary the style, intensity, and volume to continually challenge your muscles while avoiding strain and overtraining. Beyond just push-ups, a holistic view. While push-ups primarily sculpt the upper body, achieving a well-rounded physique requires diversification. Don't neglect other muscle groups. Integrate exercises like burpees to engage your entire body, ensuring balanced strength and avoiding posture issues from overemphasis on the front muscles. Remember, true muscle building extends beyond the workout. Adequate protein intake, healthy fats, and carbs fuel recovery and growth, while rest and sleep solidify your gains. Push-ups are more than a basic exercise. They're a gateway to significant muscle development and strength. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, integrating push-ups into your routine can lead to impressive results. However, patience and persistence are key. Dramatic transformations won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, proper nutrition, and enough rest, a stronger, more muscular physique is within your reach within months. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the true muscle-building potential of push-ups. If this video inspired you to drop and give us 20, hit the like button, share with fellow fitness enthusiasts, and subscribe for more myth-busting and motivational content. Remember, your fitness journey is unique. Respect your body's limits, embrace a comprehensive approach, and steadily push towards your goals. For more tips and strategies on enhancing your push-up performance and overall fitness, check out our other videos. Keep pushing, keep growing, and let's build that strength together. Until next time, stay strong and stay inspired.